the home of the best gravel route in the UK. Scotland. 50 miles, jarring terrain, isolation and no phone signal, with some of the best scenery Scotland has to offer. This is the story of me and my dad's bikepacking weekend in Galloway Forest Park. Newton Stewart, Dumfries and Galloway. For Christmas, I'd bought my dad a night at the Creebridge House Hotel, so we could do an extended weekend bikepacking trip in one of our favourite countries. We drove up on Friday, packed our bikes into the van, and set off Saturday morning to tackle the 50-mile loop and to make a little film. The plan on day one was to stay at a bothy, about 25 miles in. After a few miles of riding in the cold, we wanted to stop at a cafe for a drink, but we couldn't find anything open until we stumbled across this. Nestled in a small village, the Gem Rock Museum was the only place open where we could get a drink, and after about 10 minutes of politely pretending to be interested in the rocks, we made our way to the cafe.
To the tea room, thank you.
We were virtually the only people in there, but after a nice hot cup of tea and a slice of cake, we carried on towards the gravel loop and the bothy. A few miles later, we arrived at the gravel loop, to this concerning warning sign. We knew it was now going to get tough. The bothy. We'd made it. But it was a Saturday night, and it was completely full. Thankfully, we'd brought our tents, and a few miles down the road, we found somewhere sheltered to set up camp. Day 2. As it was the shoulder season in Scotland, we woke up to freezing conditions and ice on the bikes. A stark contrast to the mild sunny day we had before. We cooked up some warming breakfast before setting off to ride the next 20 miles back to the van. It was at this point we realised how beautiful this part of Scotland was. Often overlooked by visitors in favour of the Highlands, it's an amazing place for cycling, and it had its own charm. A perfect place for a peaceful bikepacking weekend trip. I've made loads of bikepacking films in Scotland, so if you enjoyed this, click the Scotland playlist up on your screen now or in the description for more videos. Thanks for watching.